Okay. Hello everyone, and today, I will do like both songs, Rain Rain Go Away, and Hot Cross Buns that I just learned, like right now. Is this good? Okay, perfect. Okay, let's start the two songs, Rain Rain Go Away, and Hot Cross Buns. Oops. Wait, try that again. Okay, and now for Hot Cross Buns. No, wait, whoops, wrong notes. Jeez, I need to learn, like, how to not do wrong notes. Again. And that was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Okay, I messed up a little bit, but that's okay. I will practice again after this video. Okay. Oof. Bye bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video.